Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new Camel Ducks blog. Early morning at the camel duck farm. The farmer is getting ready to feed his ducks. He fills up bowls with food the duck can't wait anymore. As soon as the gate opens, the ducks rush out in full speed. Look at them running, quacking, and enjoying the food together. Some ducks are so thirsty, they go to the pond, drink water, and then quickly come back for more food. What a funny and lovely scene! Now the ducks are full and happy, swimming around the farm and chatting in their duck language. If you enjoyed this beautiful farm vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing village life moments. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.